Lily is
the counting train.
Woo! What's a balloon? Choo-choo! Lily and Leo hop aboard. The counting train is set to roll. First we see one bright sun shining down. So much fun! Chugga-chugga, clickety-clack. Count with us, no turning back. Numbers rolling down the track. Let's count up, then count back. Leo spots two bluebirds singing songs, chirp, chirp, chirp. Lily counts three red cars rolling fast, near and far. Now there's four big green trees swaying softly in the breeze. Look, look, five white fluffy sheep jumping high, bo peep. Chugga-chugga, clickety-clack. Choo-choo. Count with us, no turning back. No turning back. Numbers rolling down the track. The track. Let's count up, then count back. Count back. Lily spots six balloons floating high up to the moon. Leo sees seven ducks in a row, quack, quack, quacking as they go. As they go. Over hills and past the gate, see eight cupcakes on a plate. Nine buzzing, bees zoom by, flying near the honey sky. Almost there, just one more bend. Look, 10 friends waiting at the end. The train slows down, our ride is done. Counting numbers sure is fun. Chugga-chugga,